Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. How are you today? I hope everyone is in good condition during this MCO period. I'm Noha and I'm representing Sekolah Kebangsaan Saujana Indah and also on behalf of my friends Christina and Shaista and our beloved teacher Cikgu Norma and Cikgu Fazlia. Today, I will present to you our product named Shoes Dry D.I.Y Kit or also known as SDDK. What do you worry about? Do you worry about wet shoes, smelly, stale and musty odor from your shoes or also unpredictable weather while drying your shoes? But don't worry, we have the solution for you. So, this will be the solution for it. Shoes Dry D.I.Y Kit. It will be the solution for unpredictable change of weather since you can dry the shoes inside the house. It is easy, quick and time-saving because it only takes a mere of 40 minutes to an hour to dry a pair of shoes. It will eliminate the odor problem since we add charcoal inside the box. It is reliable and high safety aspect because we use Arduino Uno microcontroller and will not trigger any short circuits. So, this is the product that I was talking about, Shoes Dry D.I.Y Kit. Do you want to know how does this system work? Let me explain it. Shoes Dry D.I.Y Kit will be on standby mode when connected to the power source. Users will hang the wet or damp shoes under the top cover. When the top cover is closed, the ultrasonic sensor will detect the shoes and send the signal to Arduino to automatically start the drying process. To make it more effective, the system is programmed to activate the air fans alternately. While the shoes are drying, side fans will actively circulate airflow together. As I mentioned earlier, we use charcoal to absorb the bad smell and only release clean and fresh air to the surrounding. The shoes will completely dry in 40 minutes to an hour. Users must make a periodic observation while drying the shoes. The system will automatically deactivate when the top cover is lifted. Let's watch the video of how the product's working. I hope you understand more how does the system work from the video. Okay, now I'll explain the material used and cost to fabricate this product. It is divided by two groups which is bought and recycle. We bought Perspex 100 ringgit, 8 fans 40 ringgit, 2 hair dryers 60 ringgit, Arduino set 80 ringgit, electric circuit appliance 30 ringgit, aluminium framework 20 ringgit, while charcoal, cloth bag and speaker cover are recycled. The total are 330 ringgit. The total cost of 330 ringgit is quite affordable and it is proven that Shoes Dry D.I.Y Kit is money-saving solution for drying shoes. Besides, the kit is efficient and time-saving for drying shoes. Next, Shoes Dry D.I.Y Kit is an environmentally friendly user which does not react any chemical reactions throughout the process. Then, Shoes Dry D.I.Y Kit box is portable and easy to use because it can fit a Pearl 2 Myvi bonnet and only requires one source of power that can be connected at home. Next, it is safe and reliable. Finally, we believe with the application of Arduino can open chances for users to upgrade the kit, for instance using Bluetooth via smartphone, GPRS and so on. As a conclusion, Shoes Dry D.I.Y Kit with its proven good results should be included as a part of a household appliance in near future. One home, one shoes, dry DIY kit. Thank you.